Troubles continue at the high-rise building at 33 Tehama, where 500 San Franciscans were displaced at the beginning of last month after a water main failure.
And some of those residents were told they could get back into the building August 1st. Now, however, they're being told they might not be able to get back until next year. KRON 4's Bisacky has the story.
Not a single person has lived inside this building, 33 Tehama, since June 3rd, when a water main failure flooded out this high-rise. Ever since then, residents have been living in hotels and short-term rentals, but yet again, they're stuck back at square one, forced to find extended housing options.
I didn't know what my living situation was going to be next month, and I just felt so traumatized because it felt like one thing after the other, and I just felt like they turned their backs on us.
Sophie Chung just learned that she won't be able to return home for at least another 5 months. She's been living in short-term rentals since June 3rd after she and hundreds of other residents were forced to evacuate 33 Tehama in San Francisco. The high-rise apartments became uninhabitable after a water main failure sent 20,000 gallons of water cascading down all 35 floors of the building.
I had to start a new credit card for the situation. My credit dropped by like 50 points, which is a lot. And I just feel so on edge. I feel so stringed along by the management because I don't know what's happening and don't know where I will be.
In its latest message, real estate development and management company Hines told residents that instead of reoccupying the building in waves between August and October as planned, they wouldn't be able to return until late 2022, early 2023 due to projected elevator shaft repairs. Chung and others were also notified that Hines would no longer provide housing reimbursements after August 17th.
Don't even know how to react to that because it's really hard to find short-term rentals, furnished as well. It's insanely expensive in San Francisco area. So without that help, it's really affecting all of us, especially my finances are already affected. I'm like 10 grand. I'm out 10 grand right now.
This comes after residents were given several different reoccupancy dates, making it extremely hard to make any future living plans. As a consequence, some have already decided to terminate their lease and leave the building.
You don't convince someone to go live at your place and then when something happens, basically abandon them or go back on your word.
On Monday, Supervisor Matt Dorsey sent a letter to Mayor London Breed calling on city officials to find placements for tenants of 60 below market rate units at the apartment building. Dorsey also wrote to City Attorney David Chu requesting a review of whether the building's ownership is doing what's legally required for the displaced tenants. Now many residents are forced to decide whether they want to move back into this building once it's repaired, which it's still unclear when that will be, or they'll have to terminate their lease before August 17th. After that date, residents won't have access to the building unless they have a scheduled move-out date, so many of them are now scrambling to remove their belongings. In San Francisco, Bisacky, KRON 4 News.